This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Mercedes-Benz reveals a new battery tech in its new electric G-Wagon. Meta introduces new gaming features into Messenger video calls. Tesla announces a new megafactory in Shanghai, and more. Mercedes will be the first automaker to use Sila Nanotechnology's silicon-based anodes in the upcoming EQG electric vehicle. Sila claims that its Titan silicon battery material is the first market-proven safe and clean full graphite anode replacement, engineered for mass scale to dramatically boost EV performance. The use of Titan silicon in the EQG is expected to result in a range increase of about 20% compared to existing battery technologies, as well as significantly improving charging speeds. The material can allegedly store 10 times more charge than graphite and produce 50 to 75% less CO2 per kilowatt during production, making it better for the environment. Sila aims to power 1 million EVs with its Titan silicon material by 2028 and will start with the EQG, which is set to launch in late 2024. The EQG is expected to have a quad motor layout that will result in a high power output. The vehicle's range is expected to be over 300 miles thanks in part to the use of Titan silicon. The EQG will most likely share a chassis with the ICE G-Wagon, which is set to receive a mid-life facelift later this year. The production EQG's interior and general design are expected to be almost identical with the regular G-Class, with only a few elements to distinguish it as an EV. Meta's Facebook gaming division has introduced a new feature to Messenger video calls, allowing users to play video games with friends while chatting face-to-face. The games are free to play and require no downloading or installation, making them easily accessible to Facebook users. The new feature includes 14 games in the library such as Words with Friends, Mini Golf, FRVR, and Exploding Kittens. Most of the games require only 2 players, making it easy for users to start playing quickly. The feature is available on iOS, Android, and web browsers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. While Facebook has previously launched an AR game feature in Messengers in 2018, this new feature brings in real mobile games that are already successful beyond Messenger. Facebook Gaming is also calling on developers to reach out about adding the features to their games, which could lead to more games being added to the library in the future. Overall, the Messenger video call gaming feature provides an easy and fun way for friends to connect and play games together during video calls. In other news, Tesla has announced plans to build a new factory in Shanghai capable of producing 10,000 megapack energy products every year. The factory will be built in the third quarter of 2023 and production will begin in the second quarter of 2024. The megapacks will be sold globally and will help Tesla meet the rising demand for energy storage as the world shifts towards renewable energy. The move will allow Tesla to take advantage of China's battery supply chain and lower production costs. Tesla currently has a megafactory in California capable of producing 10,000 megapacks per year. The new factory in Shanghai will be a supplement to the output of the Californian factory. Twitter has recently started making links to Substack as potentially unsafe or spammy. When a user clicks on a link to substack.com on Twitter, they will receive a separate notice warning them of potential danger. This move appears to be Twitter's latest hostile action against Substack, following the announcement of its Twitter-like notes feature. On Thursday, Twitter blocked people who use Substacks from embedding tweets in their stories. Then, late Thursday or early Friday, Twitter started blocking engagement on tweets containing links to Substack. On Friday morning, Twitter applied those same restrictions to tweets from the official Substack account. These moves are seen unfriendly and aggressive, particularly the unsafe warning. It is unclear what justification Twitter is using for the warning, as Substack's site appears to be working as it always has. There are speculations that Twitter is upset about the new Substack Notes feature, which they see as a hostile rival. Some have also speculated that CEO Elon Musk may be behind the move, as he previously blocked sharing links to other social media platforms he considered as competitors. However, for now, users are still able to tweet a Substack link, but they'll have to click through the warning to access the content. Finally, Microsoft has announced that it is making its DALL-E powered AI image generator, which was integrated into its Bing chatbot last month, available to Edge users globally. The image creator will appear in Edge sidebar and users can type in what they want to see, with Bing generating several images to match the prompt. Users can then download the image as they want to use them for social media posts, slideshows, and documents. The feature has already been available on Microsoft's Bing image creator site, but integrating it into Edge makes it more accessible. Microsoft says it will experiment with limits based on usage patterns and optimized experience for users. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.